Thank you, Mitch. Thank you, Attorney General Braywall, for taking the time to swear me in the board today. It means a great deal. I am honored and humbled to lead this outstanding organization. The New Jersey State Chiefs of Police is 107 years old and has been playing a critical role in supporting law enforcement and protecting the citizens of this great state. As I prepared to take over as president, I was reading our 100th anniversary commemorative history book and reflecting on the important and rich history of this association. New Jersey Chiefs of Police have been at the forefront of policing and have always been a model for the country. And this couldn't be more true than today. I have had the privilege of traveling this state and interacting with police chiefs and have seen firsthand the amazing work being done each day by the excellent officers and their chiefs. We have the best law enforcement officers in the country, and I have learned from so many of you. Bringing what I have learned back to my own department to better support our officers and serve the residents of Middle Township. As your president, I pledge to work tirelessly to advocate for legislation, regulations, and guidelines to advance the law enforcement profession. I look forward to building upon the hard work of this executive board and President Busby, and I assure you our voice will be heard loud and clear across this state on important issues of public safety. New Jersey police chiefs have also always been innovators and progressive leaders. I know all the chiefs in this room practice community problem-oriented policing and are engaging partners in the community to tackle the root causes of crime and social disorder. You do not have to look very far in this state to find police chiefs connecting citizens with substance abuse treatment services, mental health services, and helping their community solve problems. These are important initiatives, but I submit to you, after being a member of the Cape Regional Wellness Alliance and engaging members in my community such as Cape Assist, we in law enforcement need to go upstream to tackle the true root cause of crime, and this is tackling the issue of our kids being exposed to traumatic events or adverse childhood experiences, otherwise known as ACEs. In my opinion, this will build upon the important work started by Burlington County, President Busby, and the Attorney General on building resiliency in our officers. We can tackle ACEs in our community through police youth engagement with the goal of building resiliency in our kids. The research could not be more clear. The exposure to adverse childhood experiences is the root cause of many of the issues we deal with in law enforcement. The good news is this: what is predictable is preventable. Police officers are on the front lines every day and are at these events involving our kids and are in a unique position to help them. We can take information from the International Association of Chiefs of Police and the outstanding work done in partnership with Yale University to handle these calls for service in a manner to reduce the impact of ACEs. We can institute handle with care programs with our school districts to enhance awareness of the risk to children exposed to ACEs. Our typical communication with the schools revolve around children being charged with crimes. This program simply requires a one-page form advising the school of a child present at a dramatic event, such as domestic violence, overdose, or arrest of a parent. The City of Newark Police Department, under the leadership of Director Ambrose, was the first police department in the state to institute the CARES program in 2017 after it was presented by the DEA New Jersey Field Office. Cape May County was the first county in the state to require handle with care for all police departments. In Middle Township, we just finished our first school year and we had 110 referrals. I had the principal of the Middle Township Elementary School tell me they viewed the behavior of one of the students in school through a completely different lens the day after an event because of one of our referrals. We can also learn from police departments such as Brick Township in Ocean County, who was one of the first police departments in the state to institute a police youth camp. We know this positive interaction with police officers when there's not a crisis or emergency is healthy for our kids, especially those who have experienced a number of dramatic events. I'm proud to report that Cape May County has 4 police departments running police youth camps in partnership with the Cape May County Prosecutor's Office and Cape Assist. This summer, we will have 200 kids in camps in Cape May County. I believe that tackling ACEs is one of the most critical issues we can take on as chiefs of police. And the best part is this: we don't have to wait for Washington or Trenton to make it happen. These trauma-informed practices are emerging in all types of fields. But I'm excited to get this information into the hands of law enforcement, who are the best problem solvers we have in this country. I'm confident as police chiefs learn about ACEs and the latest research, they will invent very wise and innovative solutions. I say build it and share it. To help accomplish this goal of expanding police youth engagement and building resiliency in our kids, our association is partnered with the New Jersey School Administrators Association, the New Jersey Principals and Supervisors Association, and New Jersey Prevent Child Abuse to hold a leadership symposium for police leaders and school district leaders to discuss supporting kids exposed to trauma. The symposium will be held this October in Monroe, New Jersey. I sincerely hope that the chiefs across this state will come with your school district counterparts to this symposium. I believe this is one of the most important things we can do to impact people's lives in a positive way, prevent crime, and build trust in our community.